The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description.
The DEWALT DCS520T1 60 volts max 6.5" cordless TrackSaw kit promises the convenience of cordless operation with the power of a corded tool. Boasting a zero-clearance TrackSaw cutting system, it delivers straight, splinter-free, and precise cuts when used with TrackSaw dual-edge tracks. The brushless motor effortlessly handles hardwoods up to 2 1/8 inch thick, offering a maximum cut depth of 2 1/8 inch at 90 degrees and 1 5/8 inch at 45 degrees. The saw features essential safety mechanisms, including a continuous anti-kickback mechanism and riving knife that effectively prevent kickback during operation. Its straight plunge mechanism enhances ergonomics, while the enclosed low-profile guard ensures a remarkable 90% dust extraction capability. The specifications include a 6.5" blade diameter, a variable no-load speed of 1750 to 4000 RPM, a bevel capacity of 47 degrees, and a bevel scale accurately accounting for track thickness. A comprehensive kit includes the DCS520 TrackSaw, a DCB 660 volts max flexible 6.0 amp-hour battery, a blade change wrench, and a DEWALT T-Stack kit box. The cordless design aligns with the user's preference for a cord-free and gas-free experience. In practical use, the saw performs admirably, effortlessly handling tasks like breaking down MDF sheets and cutting through 8/4 walnut with a 1/2" cut depth in multiple passes. However, the limited battery life may be a concern for production shops, making it more suitable for light-use woodworkers. Additional batteries are recommended to minimize downtime during charging cycles. While the overall build quality is commendable and aligns with DEWALT's reputation, there are isolated incidents of quality control issues. One user reported sparks during the first cut due to a loose and misaligned riving knife, resulting in damage to the track's guide edge. This led to compromised cut quality and splintering issues. Despite some hiccups in individual cases, the majority of users find the DEWALT DCS520T1 to be a reliable and powerful cordless track saw. However, potential buyers should be aware of potential quality control concerns and may want to check the availability of accessories, as some have been reported as discontinued by DEWALT.